my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Alright everyone, today we are making a delicious chicken pasta. Okay, let's get started. Please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell. This is what we are going to use today for our delicious chicken pasta. We will start cutting our broccolins in small pieces. We're going to use the top parts only. As soon as we finish cutting, put them all inside a hot water and make sure to cover it. Time for our chicken. First clean it, then start cutting it in small pieces. As soon as you're done cutting it, put them in a small bowl so we can add with seasoning, giving a little taste to the chicken. Crushed red pepper, organic no salt seasoning, black pepper, and of course a little bit of soy sauce, my favorite. Most important, olive oil. In the end, let's squeeze some fresh lemon juice into the bowl. Okay my friends, let's move to the most important part, to this recipe, cooking the pasta. First thing first, let's start cutting our onions. Cut them nicely in small pieces. Of course, let's add some garlic with the onions. Butter, I love butter. Olive oil. Trust me, it goes really good with butter. Let's start cooking our chicken. Wow, this looks and smells so good. People can't wait for you guys to try it and leave me a comment. When our chicken is cooking, we will take your time and cut our peppers. As soon as you're done cutting it, start cooking with the chicken. Wow, my friends, you will not believe it. It smells so good, I'm already hungry. Let's close the pot so it cooks faster. Cilantros, cut them in small pieces. This time we will not cook them, we will only put them on top of the pasta when it's done. Now it's time for the onions to mix with the chicken. After the onions is cooked a little bit, we will put the broccoli inside the pot. Let's add Alfredo sauce with the chicken. Of course, Italian dish needs Italian seasoning, right? And some dry mint. Okay, my friends, we are almost there. Wow, this looks so good. You guys have to try this at home. Without cheese, there is no pasta. We have to put some cheese in there, right? Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, this looks so good. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell. Until next time, see you.